The satellites and the phones will then handshake very well to achieve high bandwidth connectivity. But the net effect is that you should be able to watch videos anywhere on your phone.
Okay, for just $789, you can totally buy a phone that gives you completely free internet access. Free for life.
Yeah, you heard that right.
You can stream YouTube, Netflix, or any other entertainment without paying a single cent for internet bills. Elon Musk has once again confirmed the built-in Starlink feature on the Tesla Pi phone in his latest updates. It's crazy how so few of us actually know that the Tesla Pi phone will officially go on sale early next year at a super affordable price compared to the newly released iPhone 17. The controversy around Apple's new lineup hasn't cooled down yet. Many people regret spending so much money on the iPhone 17, with most complaints saying it scratches way too easily, even just from being in a pocket with keys. Meanwhile, iPhone Air users are left wondering why the battery drains so fast. Some even have to recharge in less than half a day. Yeah, prioritizing looks above everything else seems to have made the iPhone 17 one of Apple's most controversial devices ever. Meanwhile, Elon Musk has dropped a bunch of exciting details about the Tesla Pi phone ahead of launch. He's confident that Apple poses no threat to Tesla and that the Tesla Pi phone might even become the best-selling smartphone in the US next year. Why is Elon Musk so confident? What does the Tesla Pi phone really offer? Here's the truth about this phone.
Well, I guess on their phones or watching a movie or doing work or whatever you want to do.
We believe we're living in an era where a person can fall behind after just a few days without internet access. That's the truth. Being connected has become an essential part of life. But have you ever imagined being able to connect to the internet for free without relying on traditional service providers and without worrying about weak signals in remote or rural areas? That's exactly what the Tesla Pi phone brings you. By integrating directly with Starlink, Elon Musk's satellite internet service. This phone doesn't just change how we think about smartphones. It opens up a whole new era of connecting people to the world without the limitations we've been tied to for so long. Honestly, Starlink is nothing short of a revolution in internet connectivity. Chances are you felt frustrated living in rural areas or on the outskirts of cities where internet speeds crawl at just 10 to 40 megabits per second, and sometimes you can't connect at all no matter what you try. Those are exactly the problems Elon Musk's Starlink is solving. With its powerful satellite internet service, Starlink promises speeds of up to 300 megabits per second. And that promise is quickly becoming reality right now. Starlink already has more than 500,000 users worldwide, and that number is set to skyrocket as Musk pushes toward his goal of deploying 42,000 satellites by 2027. With the current 3,000 satellites in orbit, Starlink has already wrapped around the Earth, delivering broadband connectivity to remote areas, rugged terrains, and rural communities. What once seemed like something out of a sci-fi movie has now become part of everyday life. And this is probably the question you're asking yourself, right? The Tesla Pi phone isn't just another smartphone. It's equipped with a special chip that connects directly to Starlink, meaning the phone doesn't just rely on standard 4G per 5G networks. It can tap straight into Starlink's satellite internet. That means anyone who owns a Tesla Pi phone will have free internet access through Starlink from the very first time they power it on. The great thing here is that signing up for Starlink is no longer as complicated as before. Every customer who buys a Tesla Pi phone next year will receive a lifetime Starlink subscription completely free of charge. No need to worry about monthly fees or hidden costs. Just own a Pi phone, and instantly you'll have powerful internet access anywhere without spending an extra dime. This is definitely a standout feature that the Tesla Pi phone offers, especially at a time when traditional internet services still come with many limitations. In terms of design, the Tesla Pi phone is just as impressive. Built with grade 6 titanium, It's one of the most durable and premium materials available today. Titanium not only provides scratch and impact resistance, but is also extremely lightweight, giving you a sturdy yet comfortable feel in hand. Unlike many other smartphones on the market with bodies that easily scratch or bend, the PoE gives you peace of mind for long-term use, without worrying about wear and tear. Apple's unexpected move to bring back aluminum for the iPhone 17's frame, especially on the Pro model, has sparked intense debate within the user community. After one generation of high expectations for durability and a premium feel with titanium, this decision has raised concerns about the iPhone 17 Pro's resistance to everyday bumps and scratches. Early user feedback has already begun to surface, with many complaints about scratches appearing easily on the aluminum frame, even with fairly careful use. Some even claim that the iPhone 17 Pro Max seems more prone to scratches than older aluminum iPhones like the iPhone 6s. A surprising issue for a flagship device. Of course, using a case remains an effective solution to protect the phone. However, not everyone wants to cover up the original design of a high-end device they spent a lot of money on. This raises the question, was Apple's material choice a miscalculation in balancing production costs with the user experience, or is there a deeper reason behind it? In stark contrast to Apple's luxury trend, where each new iPhone generation strives to break records in thinness, mainly to appeal to younger users, Elon Musk places the emphasis on superior durability, high practicality, and powerful performance. Much like Tesla's approach to building electric cars, according to Tesla employees, Musk personally inspected the Tesla Pi's frame, and only a body made of grade 6 titanium earned his approval. The Pi phone is designed to fit everyone from college students to users over 70 years old, regardless of generation or usage needs. If there's one persistent obsession that has plagued the iPhone community for years, it's the issue of weak battery life. Despite Apple's ongoing efforts to improve it, the reality is that they still haven't solved the problem. To this day, almost no iPhone has been highly praised for its battery endurance. The newly released iPhone Air, with its 3,100 mAh battery, is already facing criticism for needing a recharge after just half a day. By contrast, we were truly surprised by the Tesla Pi's battery based on what has been leaked so far. As we all know, Tesla has been a pioneer in electric vehicle battery technology, gaining invaluable experience long before entering